everyone, so today we are talking about the Merit Beauty Black Friday sale. So there are a lot of good sets that they have going on. This is their only sale of the year. They're having 20% off and are also having some sets in there too, so you can get an extra deal. So I'm a partner with Merit Beauty, and the reason I love them is because they are such a good just minimal makeup brand, especially for the girl that's like not into a ton of makeup. This brand is perfect for you. So I wanted to come on here, kind of show you the products and things that I love of theirs and how to apply them as well. So this is the Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. Look how beautiful that is. It has 2% niacinamide, 4 types of hyaluronic acid, caffeine-rich cacao seed extract for plumping, Japanese gold thread root for soothing and antioxidant protection, and it is also pH balanced for a healthy skin barrier. You want to shake it well since it is kind of separated in there. It gives you like just this beautiful look. I've even applied it on top of makeup, kind of like that like Hailey Bieber method, just going to pump that. So I love that it feels really lightweight, but it feels like it moisturizes so well. And this is the perfect thing to apply before using their foundation stick, especially if you have dry skin. I have more combination skin, but I can definitely get dry in the winter, so this product is perfect for me. As you can see, I have a bit of a tan on my neck, so I'm going to be combining 2 shades in Bisque and Amber. And I've also heard that they just reformulated these to have more product in them. I've been using them for quite a while though. There's still a lot of product left. So as you can see, applying this is like my normal shade, as you can see, but I do need a little bit to tan me. But yeah, I love this because you can use this with like a tinted moisturizer when you just feel like you need a little extra coverage. You can use it as concealer, you can use it as contour or bronzer. Like it's just such a good multi-use product, and it doesn't feel heavy on the skin, and it looks like skin. Then I also just applied it as concealer under my eye, and they have a brush that normally comes with like their sets and stuff. It was sold out though, so I don't have the brush, but you can probably get the brush, and I've heard it's great. And I did already do my eyes because I don't believe they have any eye products other than mascara, which I did use today on my eyes already, but this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna touch up with it. It's a very natural, pretty looking mascara. Like, it's not going to give you like the spider leg look or look thick. It just emphasizes your lashes nicely, or like enhances your lashes without looking crazy. Now for the cheeks, these are some of my favorite products. So this is the Merit, obviously it's Merit, Cheeky Cheek Color. It's kind of like this raspberry beautiful color. I love it. So you're just going to apply it like that. It looks like a lot, but it blends out nicely, so just trust me. So we have a really nice glow. Then applying the highlighter. I love this stuff. Look how beautiful this is. It's like that gorgeous, like champagne-y gold color. Applying that to the high points. I feel like these products make it so you can just do like the fastest makeup and it looks good, you know? Now adding their famous lip oil in Sangria. I love this because it just adds a nice amount of color. I feel like it's perfect for the holidays because you can just add on a nice lip and it looks like you tried really hard with your makeup, but you didn't. You just threw on a lip and it just makes you look so put together. And the nice thing about this too, that you'll see, or I guess you may not see it in this video, but when the gloss wears off, it just leaves like a light stain. So you can see like it enhanced the color that I already have in my lips. That's what I do love about these products. Like, don't get me wrong, I love glam. Like, we know I love my Halloween looks, but I feel like this is just such a beautiful look that anyone can create and is flattering on absolutely anybody. So I believe all orders, or at least the first couple orders that purchase for the Black Friday sale, come in this really cute little pouch. I love this. And it carries so much more than you would think. Like, even if you just need this for like a little clutch for going out, it's perfect. But I'll use it for like my makeup or skincare bag, like when I go on vacation. But I love it. It fits a lot in there. You just like tie it and you can hold it like this, but it's so cute. This fit everything that I put on today, and there's still room for stuff. So if you liked the products that I wore today, make sure to use the link down below. And I hope you all have wonderful holidays and enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.